Hi, I'm Miss Yofrog, and I'm auditioning for Rusty/Firepaw, Blue Star, Graypaw, Spotted Leaf, and Smudge in the Warrior Cats radio show. Okay, so first here is Rusty/Firepaw. That old fat tabby never went into the woods. I'm only going for a look around. I won't stay long. If you're the most dangerous thing in the woods has to offer, I think I can handle it. Why don't you find yourself an owner with a nice cozy house instead? Your life would be much easier. There are plenty of house folks who'd take in a kitten like you. All you have to do is sit where they can see you and look hungry for a couple of days. Send me home? But I've only come here to hunt for a mouse or two. Surely there's enough to go around. Now, Blue Star, I am deeply troubled by tonight's defeat. ThunderClan has not been beaten in its own territory since I became leader. Fire? The fire is feared by all the clans. How can it save us? I have been wondering how you would perform out here, beyond the two-leg place. We patrol this border frequently, so I have often seen you sitting on your boundary, staring out into the forest. And now, at last, you have dared to place your paws here. There's never enough to go around. If you didn't live such a soft, overfed life, you would know that. Now, Graypaw? Hi there, kitty pet. You put up quite a fight for a tame kitty. I'm Graypaw, by the way. I'm training to be a ThunderClan warrior. And they'd feed me pellets that look like rabbit droppings and soft slop. No way! I can't think of anything worse than being a kitty pet. They're nothing but two-legged toys. Eating stuff that doesn't look like food, making dirt in a box of gravel, sticking their noses out only when the two legs allows them. That's no life. Out here it's wild. It's free. We come and go as we please. And now here's for Spotted Leaf. Her wounds are deep, Blue Star, but she is young and strong. She will heal quickly. But the year is just only beginning. There will be more kicks when greenness comes. It was a message from StarClan. Fire alone can save our clan. And last, here's Smudge. You're not going into the woods, are you? Henry told me that all sorts of dangerous animals out there. Huge wildcats who eat live rabbits for breakfast and sharpen their claws on old bones. Well, don't say I didn't warn you. Okay, thanks. Bye.